friends, welcome back with another video. In this video I am going to start with central nervous system drugs of choice. So let's get started. Drugs of choice for generalized absence seizure is ethoxamide and sodium valproate. Drugs of choice for absence petit mal seizure is valproate. Drugs of choice for absence seizure in children is ethoxamide. Drugs of choice for myoclonic seizure in men is sodium valproate. Drugs of choice for myoclonic seizure in women is lamotrigine. Drugs of choice for focal seizure is lamotrigine. Drugs of choice for generalized tonic-clonic seizures is lamotrigine. Drugs of choice for tonic-clonic seizure is sodium valproate. Drugs of choice for infantile seizure is ACTH. Drugs of choice for rhinorrhea, citragine. Drugs of choice for phobias is SSRIs. Drugs of choice for reducing pre-anesthetic antitoxicity is lorazepam. Drugs of choice for status epilepticus is ilorazepam. Drugs of choice for febrile seizure diazepam. Drugs of choice for partial seizure carbamazepine. Drugs of choice for attention deficit hyperactive disorder is methylphenidate. Drugs of choice for Alzheimer's disease is rivastigmine. Drugs of choice for obsessive compulsive disorder is fluoxetine. Drugs of choice for drug-induced Parkinsonism is venhexol. Drugs of choice for Parkinsonism is ropinirole and pramipexole. Drugs of choice for glioma is nitrosourea. Drugs of choice has pain relief property without opioid disadvantage is tramadol. Drugs of choice for sedation in patient with severe liver failure lorazepam. Drugs of choice for maintenance treatment of generalized anxiety disorder is buspirone. Next one, drugs of choice for cerebral edema is mannitol. Drugs of choice for increased intracranial pressure mannitol. Drugs of choice for psychomotor seizure carbamazepine. Drugs of choice for mania is lithium carbonate. Drugs of choice for Huntington chorea is tetravengine. Drugs of choice for Parkinsonism is ropinirole and pramipexole. Drugs of choice for morning sickness is hyoscine. Drugs of choice for multiple sclerosis is amitriptyline. Drugs of choice for acute attack of migraine is sumatriptan and ergotamine. Drugs of choice for night terrors is benzodiazepine. Drugs of choice for atypical depression is MAO receptor inhibitor. Drugs of choice for hydrocephalus is glycerol or acetazolamide. Drugs of choice for cluster headache is sumatriptan. Treatment of choice for cluster headache, high flow of O2. Drugs of choice for infantile spasm is ACTH. Drugs of choice for Huntington chorea is tetravengine. Drugs of choice for multiple sclerosis interferon B. Drugs of choice for pulmonary edema is morphine. Drugs of choice for generalized anxiety disorder diazepam, benzodiazepine. Drugs of choice for pain in terminal illness morphine. Drugs of choice for pain of acute myocardial infarction morphine. Drugs of choice for chronic sensor pain morphine. Drugs of choice for borderline personality disorder is buspirone, 5-HT partial agonist. Drugs of choice for neonate with respiratory depression due to use of morphine to control severe liver pain, naloxone. Drugs of choice for sedation in liver failure patient, lorazepam. Drugs of choice for decreasing anxiety in children pre-operatively, antihistamine. Drugs of choice for sedation in patient with porphyriasis, benzodiazepine. Drugs of choice for trigeminal neuralgia, carbamazepine. Drugs of choice for status absence, benzodiazepine. Drugs of choice for convulsion in lidocaine treated patient, diazepam. Drugs of choice for tardive dyskinesia is diazepam. Drugs of choice for convulsion in tetanus patient, diazepam. Drugs of choice for delirium caused by ketamine, diazepam. Next one, drugs of choice for febrile seizure, diazepam. Drugs of choice for endoscopic and colonoscopy is midazolam. Drugs of choice for hypnosis in elderly is zolpidem. Drugs of choice for diabetic neuropathy is topiramate. Drugs of choice for neuropathic pain is lamotrigine or topiramate or gabapentin. Drugs of choice for reducing alcohol craving, naltrexone. Drugs of decreasing relapse of alcoholism is acamprostate and MDA receptor antagonist or naltrexone. Drugs of choice for alcohol detoxification is disulfiram. Drugs of choice for smoking cessation is bupropion. Drugs of choice for depression and Parkinson disease is SSRIs. Drugs of choice for Parkinsonism disease levodopa. Drugs of choice by psychosis in Parkinsonism disease clozapine. Drugs of choice in depression is SSRIs. Drugs of choice for restless leg syndrome is ropinirole. Drugs of choice for violent behavior haloperidol. Drugs of choice for psychotic depression is loxapine. Drugs of choice for neutropenia and Felt syndrome lithium. Drugs of choice for patient with extrapyramidal symptom is clozapine. Drugs of choice for negative symptoms clozapine. Drugs of choice for treatment resistant schizophrenia clozapine. Drugs of choice for elderly with schizophrenia clozapine. Drugs of choice for peripheral neuropathy lamotrigine. Drugs of choice for bulimia is SSRIs. Example fluoxetine. Drugs of choice for acute mania lithium. Drugs of choice for serotonin syndrome is cyproheptadine. Drugs of choice for nocturnal anorexia desmopressin. Drugs of choice for major depression is SSRI. Drugs of choice for heat stroke is chlorpromazine. Drugs of choice for OCD is SSRI or clomipramine. Drugs of choice for sleepwalking carbamazepine. Drugs of choice for cluster headache lithium. Drugs of choice for cyclical vomiting lithium. Drugs of choice for bipolar mood disorder lithium. Next one, drugs of choice for reducing hyperexcitement in acute mania is haloperidol. Drugs of choice for reducing excitement in chorea haloperidol. Drugs of choice for reducing excitement in acute schizophrenia haloperidol. Drugs of choice for reducing excitement in delirium is haloperidol. Drugs of choice for post-traumatic stress disorder is SSRI. Drugs of choice for somatic pain is NSAID. Drugs of choice for bipolar depression is lithium. Drugs of choice for depression with hypotension is used SSRI. Drugs of choice for depression with heart disease SSRI. Drugs of choice for depression with insomnia is amitriptyline. Drugs of choice for pain in aspirin allergic patient is paracetamol. Thank you.